like your accent. Where you from?
Sun wasn't even out.
Yeah, we woke up at 6 in the morning. It's freaking 9:29.
I'm still tired.
You can hear it in our voices. That's on Wednesday.
But it's okay, we'll be activated over there.
Oh yeah, we'll take that water. Woo! Ah! Oh! Guys, you gotta scream, guys! Is that a part of it? It has a slide. You got this, sis?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, mine's is small. Yeah, what it's saying. Sis, it says not floating.
My name is Mermaid Amanda. In order to have a fun
Should I put it away?
simply follow.
Y'all, look at these rolls. They don't stop, really. Y'all ready for more rules? Oh, here we go. Like that wasn't enough rules.
Mira que
So hot. Oh boy.
he's gotta let me know.
Bunch. Sugar honey iced tea. This is cold.
It's freaking cold.
Voy a tirarme en esta vaina. Is it deep in the bottom?
That's 4.5.
Oh, okay. Alrighty! Bye! Freezing, right? Bro, no, I can't stay in here.
2 hours later.
Oh, tírate.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along?
You're not coming? You can do it. Bitch, you're doing a good job.
Bitch, you doing a good job.
Don't you feel good? Yeah, I'm a dolphin.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai. Yes. Okay, thank you.